I get this it's like a aluminum or something. But anyway, I got this for $1.75. And I like to use this for like like if you have tea light candle, and you have another pots and stuff that you can put in it, and then you cover up, and probably the candle, the tea light candle, the small candle, and then it's inside. So I think I wanna try it out, if it work. Probably gonna get warm over here and stuff, so we'll see. Survival stuff. It's cold weather and stuff. You can warm up here in the car or something. And so when I see this one, this one is just cute, and there's a lot of holes in it. So we're gonna try it out. Hopefully the tea light candle, I wanna try it out if it's get warm over here. And it's nice to bring like extra meat, like a gloves and stuff, so in case you get hot and you have something to can hang on into it. So okay, this idea, it's a lightweight, and you can always put this, you can put your tea light candle in there. A bag of tea light candle for survival is light. And I'm sure you can steam some vegetable in this. Well, this is like a wash your fruit and stuff, but this one is nice lightweight, so can use for other purposes. Okay, see you later.